recycled and laundry. Ads for recycled cans are paused for right now. I'll open them back up once I see. Hi Ash, how are you? Rock, thank you. Yes, absolutely. Yes, but the ads are paused right now for recycled. Because I want to make sure I have enough. If you want to send for just powders, I have laundry. Thank you. I'm good. I'm a little under the weather, but other than that, I'm all right. No fresh cans, no. No. Honestly, I just wanted to get rid of this because I have family coming. Yes, I do. I always save. And I do owe you guys that washer live that I'm gonna do. I just gotta get a magnet. It is, I know. If anybody wants to add liquid, we definitely need liquid. Oh, yeah. Me too. I started feeling it a little bit on Saturday, and then Sunday I woke up and I was like, oh, this is not good. Yes. I just gotta get a magnet. I don't know where to get. Well, I talked to Magic. She said to get it from DT. Yes, whenever I start doing my recycled, but it's paused right now. Recycled ads are paused at the moment because I want to make sure I have enough cans before I open the line back up for them. Sí, todavía huele a pino. Fuerte. This definitely needs liquids. If anybody wants to add a liquid, I appreciate it. I'm not trying to make recycled out of recycled. Gabriella, I know my back door's not open and my AC's running, girl. Gabby? No, I don't. I didn't restock. Girl, I barely got out of bed. Thank you for the roses. I barely got out of bed. Next week, we're gonna do a full restock. And I'm gonna get a lot of wintergreen because I don't wanna be asked anymore. I'm gonna buy like 10 bottles of it. I always save. What I was gonna say is I wanna do a lavender and pineapple overload. So that will be happening at some point next week. Just lavender and pineapple. I'm looking forward to it. How many pineapple fabulosos should I get? It's so bad. Oh, they're burning. They're burning. They're gonna fall off. It's awesome. I've got to let you know. I need you tonight. Something about you. I'm fine, don't worry, my hands are fine. 1, 2, 3. How many do you have? I gotta annoying. I would definitely appreciate that because the laundry makes it smell so good. But I literally can only smell right now. Oh. Not my hair everywhere, but my damn head. I'm gonna start saving it so I can put it back on my damn head because your girl's balding. Speaking of balding, I don't know how many of you follow. Oh, thank you, Aaron. I was gonna say Aaron, but I said Aaron. Okay, so we have 10 more. All right, and we'll pause it again, and then I'll let you guys know. Thank you, Aaron. I want to call you Aaron all the time. Speaking of balding, if you follow R&B, did you see Trey Songz's new look? Did we all see that together? Thank you, Emily. Hola. Thank you, Erin. So we're gonna pause again. But laundry ads are still open. I have Focus, Romas, Espumil, Wash Attack, Gain. ¿Cómo estás? How are you doing, Emily? No, estoy bien. Bueno, me corté acá un poco, me raspé el dedo y sí me está molestando, pero está bien. Hi, C. C, I was in your live the other day and I kept saying hi. I said, all right. Watch the next time I see her. I'll be like, I know he wasn't ignoring me. We're supposed to be friends. He's bald. Yes, he is in fact bald now. He shaved the bald, but he had hair not too long ago, so I don't know if he just thought he was going for a look. I was reading the comments on his reveal. Somebody was like, I would ask for a refund. I didn't come here to see Lil Bill. Um, I'm going, what? Going, oh, I can't see. Newborn cuddles. Oh. I couldn't cuddle newborn right now, even if I wanted to. Again? Motherfuckers. It's a good thing I'm the only one eating this. You know, you can't eat it just anybody's house. How does it look on him? I'm not gonna tell you. Go look, girl. Go look real quick and come back. Nobody's gonna tell her how he looks. Go look and come back. And let's discuss it. Let's discuss it. I saw Trey Songz. Oof. Probably in 2010 when he was opening for Usher in Madison Square Garden. And a long time ago. That was such a crazy concert because of the, like, how it happened. Well, not how it happened, but just that Trey Songz opened for him. And Miguel did. Miguel was the first act. It was Miguel, Trey Songz, and then it was Usher. Usher put on a hell of a show. And we were like super close to the stage. We had 4 seats. Recycled and laundry. If anybody would like to add, I still have plenty of laundry. And honestly, I like laundry over recycle. We also have some liquids going on. But I want to get rid of the recycled, so. It's not bad in this. It smells nice. It's just pine recycled powder. So it's like